how to add some questions in Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a sub question to your form into Google Forms. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over forms or docs.google.com/forms. Then here we have the Google Forms. As you can see, go ahead and create your form or your quiz or whatever you want from these templates. Then you're going to set up, for example, a blank quiz, or we are going to set up a predefined or preset a quiz that I have created before. So we are going to set up a questionnaire, as you can read. Now I'm going to click on this questionnaire. Here we have a little questionnaire for there. Then we have some sections. Now I'm going to delete this section, click OK, and now we have some choices. Now go ahead and create your own questionnaire or your form like that. Then you are going to set up this specific one into the section that you want. For example, I have a setup this form, as you can read right there. This form will have a question, so right there, we are going to set, for example, here a YouTube, and we are going to set up an answer. So we are going to go to section based on answer. Now we are going to select, for example, for someone who had how did you hear about us? If it is YouTube, we are going to the section that we are going to set. But before that, we are going to add another section for there. So we need to add not a question, but we need to add a section. This section, here we have the section as you can see here. It is set for there. We're going to set up this YouTube right there. Click on it and here we have it. So we're going to set it to section 2. So this section will appear only if it has the choice of this one. So we've made this, but we need to delete that and boom. So we are going to publish it right there. We are going to publish. What we need to do is to get the preview of it. So as you can see here, we have the next. So we need to set up an email, gg, for example, at gmail.com. This is mandatory. So we are going to set that. We are going to set, for example, 25 and boom, we are going to set this YouTube. So when you click on next, right there we have the untitled sections that we have added. You can go ahead and add some options to this specific section. For example, here, have you a YouTube channel by any chance, for example, and this is a questions. Here we are going to add a yes or no. This is not our option. Then we are going to set up here, congratulations, you have made it to the step 2, for example. Now we are going to add another question, which is here we are going to add it below that. So we are going to set how much followers you have. Now we are going to set up the question for multiple choice. Now we are going to set between 500 to 1,000. Here 2,000 or 100, 1,500 to 3,000 and etc. Now we are going to click on preview again. Here we have it, YouTube. We are going to click on next. Now we have the second section that will contain these 2 questions and boom. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.